Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have glasses on, and yes, I don't have makeup on, but today's video is going to be all about an update on the FANOLA shampoo that I've been using for my blonde hair. If you haven't seen my first video, please tune in for that. But basically, I've been getting like a lot of questions of, is it really working on my hair? Like, how long did I actually leave it on for? I felt like the video was, although it has a lot of views, it was kind of all over the place. So I wanted to update you guys on how it has been treating my hair, and I thought today was the perfect day because I haven't well, I wanted to do it today. I am going to be doing it today. And yeah, I just thought I wanted to show you guys like the difference and how it really does work on my hair, because I get a lot of comments all the time asking me, does it really work, like, is it really like worth it? And no, I am not working with them. With the amount of subscribers that I have, which I am really grateful for, unfortunately I don't think I can be a what is that called, like in a partnership with them. But here's my dog Rosie. Rose, you want to say hi? Look at me. She's currently looking out the window because that's where I'm currently am. Yeah, who needs a ring light when you have natural sunlight? But anyways, here is my hair right now. And as you guys can see, it's a little bit yellow. But basically, yeah, it's turning like orange. And but you can totally tell where the shampoo has actually worked for my hair. If you guys look closely, you might see some like icy streaks. But if you look at the top, you can already tell that I do need a new like a new color in my hair, and that my natural hair color is actually coming in. I feel like the shampoo works with like bleached hair. Right here, it's not really gonna do much because this is my natural hair color. The orange right here, it works and it does make a difference, but not a lot. As you guys can see, you can already tell where there's like some light streaks here and orangey streaks in the other part of the hair. So yeah, one of the most questions that I get in regards to the shampoo is how long did I leave it on for. I left it on for about 8 minutes the first time because I didn't know the product very well and I wanted to see how it worked with my hair first. But now that I absolutely love it, I leave it on for about 20 minutes to 15 minutes, and I do notice a really feel like the other most asked question is, are the results permanent? No, the results aren't permanent. As you guys can already tell, I'm sure you guys are looking at my hair, it's it's back to the stage one. I have to use the product at least once a week to maintain that nice icy hair color. So I'm gonna stop talking because a lot of you guys tell me I talk too much. All right guys, so I just got done putting the shampoo on my hair, and I'm actually out on my backyard because I wanted to show you guys the color that the shampoo actually turns your hair. Right now, as you can tell, it's like a really deep purple, and I'm obviously dressed like this because, like I said before, it doesn't stain your hair, but you don't want anything falling on anything nice. But yeah, this is typically how I do it. The days that I know I'm gonna put it on my hair, I just make sure my hair is a little bit dirty, and then I put it on dry hair because I feel like it just works way better. I'm gonna run inside. I'm just out here to show you guys purposes. But yeah, right now, for my most answered question, like I said, is how long do I leave it on for. Right now I will leave it on like 15 to 20 minutes, and I like to see the results that way. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys whenever it is all done and blow dried and all of that, and you guys are going to see the difference. Hey guys, so I actually just finished filming this look, so if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and look at that video. But I'm not sure which video is going to be posted up first, my hair one or this tutorial. But anyways, back to the star of the show, and it is to the hair. This is what my hair turned out to look like. I absolutely love it. As you guys can tell, earlier it was more golden color and now it's more ashy. I'm gonna explain a little bit more about the FANOLA shampoo, the blue shampoo specifically, just because I noticed I had a lot of questions that honestly I didn't even answer in a video. So yeah, do I recommend the product? Yes, I do. Just a few questions for me to answer. Okay, so the shampoo actually tends to work better on like bleached hair. So if your hair is like bleach, it will definitely work on work on those orange tones and turn them more into like a more silvery. all it does is perfect the color that you already have. So if you have black hair and you want to use a shampoo because you think you're gonna end up blonde, no, the shampoo does not do that. Also, I recommend using it for a longer period of time. I know the bottle says like 5 minutes, but if you've used it already once or twice, you know, first see how your hair will handle it for like 5 minutes and then go gradually and boost up the time. Also, another question, basically I use the shampoo on dry hair, which means, you know, I'm not shampooing or conditioning my hair beforehand. I'm doing everything after. So I think it's completely fine. I do it all the time. My hair is very fine, very like breakable. So what I do is I first put the blue shampoo, I leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then I get in the shower, I use shampoo, I use conditioner, and then I take it out, and then I kind of let it air dry, and I use the blower, the Revlon blower styling, like the new tool. I'm gonna put a picture of the one that everyone's using. And that's what I use to blow dry my hair. And then what was the other question? Here it goes. So then the other question was how many times a week do I use it? I tend to use it only once, like every week, or maybe once every 2 weeks. I don't use it every day. Don't do that, because I feel like, I mean, you can try, but I wouldn't. Honestly, the results stay in your hair for like a good week, only like a good week, because I noticed that you know, before I used it today, I hadn't used it for like, I'd say like a month, and my hair was already really orange, like you guys saw in the beginning of the video. But yeah, it works wonderfully, and you can literally tell the color. What I can definitely say is that it tends to pick up more on your ends than on your roots. It picks up wonderfully on your ends. Literally, my ends look silver. That's the first thing I notice whenever I wash my hair. But yeah. But again, this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna get on natural sunlight. It turned it into a way more prettier beige color compared to the orangey color that I had. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know if there's any other like FANOLA products that you guys would like to see. I'm honestly considering ordering more products. You know, the blue shampoo, which I feel like will always be a staple unless I find something better. But yeah, I want to try like some serums and other masks for my hair. But yeah, I read all of the comments that you guys leave me, and I think a lot of you guys said that you're gonna purchase it or you already purchased it. Let me know if it worked for you, honestly. If it didn't work the first try, I wouldn't just throw it away. I would honestly keep going and try again to see if you see a difference. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys tune in my next video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, I really hope you do so. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel and watching all of my videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.